Pretty
What's
good,
up?
man. Pretty good. I'm glad that you're scaling 5K a day. Congratulations, man.
Thanks, bro. But not good profitable right
Oh,
now.
okay.
It's like it's like 2.0 something like that.
Okay, interesting. Excited to look into it.
Cool. How about you? Everything is okay?
Pretty good. Right now we're building out like a phone call funnel. So we're running a lot of lead generation ads and we're getting in a lot of cheap leads, but now we need to train new salespeople. So that's sort of what we've been putting a lot of time into, just training salespeople.
Wow, that's perfect. Oh, great, great, great. That's perfect. Let me share my screen.
Yeah. Beautiful. I can see it now.
You see right now?
Yes. How's the
Oh, by the way,
UTM tracking? Do you still have any tracking issues?
no, I don't. Here. Right.
Oh,
Let's go back to my
interesting.
31 sales.
Nice.
The last one. So there is ever two layers. First layer is we are taking from inside of the order. So we write every order campaign and ad set name. So we know which order coming from there. So every day I can calculate. And the other layer is I push this offline data to Facebook server side. So the iOS actually went dropping, and we can fix the iOS because they don't track full of them.
Oh, and does it come up as an offline conversion or online conversion?
It's come with offline conversion because it's not online. They already lost the track, so we send it back to the that's Facebook servers.
Awesome. And then when you upload it as offline track, does it
Yeah,
optimize or does the algorithm optimize for it?
yeah, that's right. Let me show you. So let's check this one. Offline purchase tree.
I see.
So you can do it with Shopify too. Actually, you need to use Zapier for this.
Yes. Zapier, when it connects Shopify directly to Facebook offline. Yeah, that's what I was going to recommend right after. And then, but your way, you don't need Zapier, correct?
Yes, that's right. That's right. But we use WooCommerce.
Oh,
We
okay.
also use the plugin. That plugin called UTM Handler. Let's check my order. One of the order how this information is coming from Facebook. Let's go back to down. This is the order information. Blah 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 blah. And we go down and we see UTM source, UTM medium. It's the placement from Facebook, the customer coming from. For example, mobile feeds or right column, mobile feeds right column, or Facebook right column, blah blah other things.
This
And
is
the UTM
awesome.
content is the ad set name actually. So I know which campaign from which ad set coming from, and
Got
the
it.
campaign name and the IP, customer IP, and the client's agent. This means is the client using which browser, for example, iPhone or Android or Huawei or Google Chrome, Windows. So we can see here. In this case, client use iPhone, iOS. The version is 13.6
Yes.
and iPhone
Okay.
9. Is there iPhone 9? I'm not really sure.
And then how do you upload this RSS feed to Facebook?
And the one more thing here, this is much important than the client, the customer name or other things. The Facebook click ID. This is the very unique number. It's giving the like we can say Switzerland government give you the identification number for your personal like
Yes.
ID. This number is we also send it back to the servers, Facebook server. So we can
Wow.
do much. We can also do using this plugin to send back Facebook servers.
Got it. And this is similar to the Zapier integration with Shopify.
Yes, exactly. But the one thing Zapier cannot do. Actually, not cannot do. They don't want it to do. Maybe because of the privacy rules. The Facebook G-Click, they don't like to send.
And how did you? How does WooCommerce get the click ID? How does WooCommerce get it?
Because of that plugin, we call UTM handler grabber. This all the query string. Query string is after every, for example, x666.com, and then there is ever one query string. Query string means so the Facebook is grabbing this, the plugin is grabbing this information. So I go ahead and then create this parameter in here, and then when I click one ads, let's go to the inside my ad set. I think this one is broken. Okay, let's go to the URL parameter. You see there, right?
Yes.
I have a URL parameter. So I already put all the parameter. If I want more, I can write them.
And where's the click ID? How do you get the click ID?
You don't need to write click ID because click ID is native. Facebook is giving already.
Oh, Facebook gives it. Interesting. And it gives it to WooCommerce.
Not WooCommerce. They, every other people who is clicking to your ads in the Facebook, they have an identification number, as like your New Zealand government give you the ID card.
And is it in the number. URL? When they click on it, will it pop up in the URL for you to track?
Yes, exactly.
Correct.
The URL, the last URL. So all of the thing is actually is the coming from the.
Got it. So the Facebook click ID is in the master URL. Got it.
And that basically.
Very, very cool.
I just grab them and then send it back.
And
Not
then,
all software can do that because they afraid privacy things.
yes, and then how do you send it to Facebook? Using the app?
Yeah, exactly. The app just connects, and then WooCommerce posts back, and I just choose this one.
Yeah.
And then post, and then I use when I want to do send this information to complete, because the logic is someone paid already, the order is already complete, so I want to send right away, and then I click here which data I wanted to send, billing email, city, country.
And then how do you link this to your Facebook ad account?
Like this.
Got it. And then on Facebook, you're tracking really well. You're only 3 offline purchase. That's really good. A lot of people, 50% is offline.
I also use C API with some other things. Let me show you. My purchase server-side tracking is 9.0.
Wow. Is this the aggregated event manager?
Yes, exactly. But other things I also do that because all the information I'm sending, IP, and what is that? Oh, yeah, you see?
Wow.
Actually, it was like 9 something like that.
And then what did you do to get it that high? Is it the aggregated event measurement? Because we did that and it didn't help too much. It do little improvement.
Okay, let me show you. First, it's so basic. You need to verify your domain, right?
Yes.
And then events, advanced matching. You need to open advanced matching.
Okay.
And then to create commercial API.
Okay.
The second. After you create it, you need to go to your Shopify store.
Yes.
And then I don't know how to do that because I don't use Shopify.
And
then you import.
And then
you start to test events.
In the conversion API, do you copy that code and just put it into the checkout page?
No. In this Shopify, let's check. I think there is some place to input inside of the Shopify. I don't know.
This is new to me. The conversion API, this is new.
It's so basic.
Zapier.
You have 2 options.
Native Shopify integration. Okay. Yes. Very, very
Actually,
cool.
you have 3 options. One option is Zapier. Other one is native Shopify integration. Other one is, we don't need to care this one. Google Tag Manager, server side.
And then
I also
Eric,
use Google Tag.
the Zapier shop Facebook conversion API, is this different to offline conversion or the same with offline conversion?
All of them different. It is one is for the online conversation, which is the C API and the Pixel. Let's say
Facebook Shopify conversion API integration. Interesting.
let's go back to the store. So when I land to my store, I see my Facebook pixel, the browser pixel is already firing for the page view,
Yes.
blah blah. And I don't need to go to the checkout. So if I land here, my browser, if it has any ad blocker or any other things, this pixel will be blocked. They cannot track. Or my battery is off, or I have some other things on my phone, and then this Facebook pixel cannot track.
Yes.
But if you use server-side API, it's working from inside of the server. They can grab everything. It doesn't matter they use ad blocker or they don't have a battery. They already grab this information. They don't
Wow.
ask.
With the conversion API.
Yes, that's right. So then you
Nice.
click here, and then you generate the access token.
Yeah, I just searched up.
I
Okay.
already checked. And then you need to come here, test event. This test event you need to copy paste to your Shopify store. It's documentation.
Ooh.
Ah. It's like that. And then you need to input your. Do you have a demo store?
I do, but I think I saw this setting. This is what copy image. Let me send it to you on Skype. I think I know this setting. This is really easy. It's no longer code. I just send you an image. So apparently all I have to do is just go to the pixel and click on maximum on Shopify. So maybe it's automatic. Like I go from standard and click on maximum.
I don't think so. This is aggregate management.
Oh, this is
Advanced
not.
management.
Okay, then
Advanced
yeah, I can give you my dummy. So I have one of my branded stores, Music Chest. So let me go to Music Chest and then let me share my screen. Actually, I'll go on my other Learn
Do I need
Ecom Store. Okay, let me share my screen. Where is it? With the amount of data that you can track, what I wrote down on Skype is retargeting based on event. It's going to be really, really powerful. But yeah, quickly show me that and we'll jump back to you.
The thing is, if you have a muscle but you don't know how to use your muscle, that is useless. In this case, so but I don't know how to use it.
Yeah, because I'm thinking like you can do retarget people who page view but didn't add to cart didn't add payment information, didn't purchase, and then did they purchase 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, and we could just do a bunch of different retargeting that would do really well. So this is the store. So
Let's go to the okay, Facebook. Let's see what they have.
So I think when I go to the data sharing, this is made. Is this the users conversion API maximum?
Uses conversion API, which shares the direct from the Shopify service. Two options to the private space perspective. Okay. Okay. Can you go down a little?
I think that's the bottom. So I think usually on default it is only enhanced. Maximum is like extra. But this is
But I think you need to do some.
okay.
Can
Shopify
you that
conversion API Facebook.
for business manager, so we can check events manager. They
That's-
connect.
Okay, so let's go to okay, stop sharing, share screen. Okay, yep, you can see now. Let's go to the Pixel, Events Manager.
Very good information from that UTM handler plugin. Because I asked them to make some features. When I see this coming from the Facebook or some other place, it's really hard to. Oh, restriction. Shit.
Let's see, where is it again? Okay, this one's restricted. Okay, here's the pixel.
Okay. All right. So let's check the history. Okay. Only they did automatic advanced matching update, but there is no. Let's check the settings. Go down. No. Okay. Shopify. Set up. No need to see. Just go. Go ahead. Test event. Fine. Yes, that's called the input Shopify, but I'm not really sure when you need to go back to your admin dashboard, Shopify.
Let's see, where does this go? So this within the payload test event.
Yeah,
Okay.
it should be inside of the Shopify store somewhere. Probably that's Facebook somewhere. It's inside of the Facebook someplace.
Okay, so let's go to Facebook then. So there's this option. So here, settings, data sharing. So this one can't do anything here. Next thing is we can go to the online store. Is it in the code? Because I know you can edit code. Next is
I don't
checkout.
think so.
Maybe I got to customize checkout. So it's not in here, is it?
No. Impossible, because this code is JavaScript.
Okay, and is it in here? Order processing, additional scripts?
Yes. No. Can you give me access to control?
Yeah.
I can
Yeah.
control.
Take, I think, how do you do it?
I'm not really sure.
Oh, might not be able to do it on Skype. I can give you a Zoom link. We could do Zoom if you want to take control. Yeah, let's
Go
do-
ahead to.
Okay, let me send you a Zoom link. Okay, copy invitation.
I find very good one product. I think this product we will make for us $2 million.
Yeah, I think I'm excited to scale. If you're at 5,000, it has a lot of potential to scale. Okay, cool.
I'm not.
being recorded.
I'm fine.
Okay, I just sent you a link on Skype. Let me hang up
Okay.
on Skype.
Much later.
Okay. Share screen. 2. Okay, I think you should be able to control my screen. Press remote control. Okay, I give
It's
you
me.
control.
Yes. Yeah, I just asked the remote control. Did you give me permission?
I have to quickly go to my admin. Give me a sec. Go to
Go
Zoom.
down. There is a view options.
Alright, yep. Can you try now? Yep. Awesome.
Yeah, that's working right now. Let's go. Let's start. Let's try to fix this.
If you select maximum, the
But there is no connection. If we should at the let's Google.
Oh, so it might be that, just simple maximum.
It's very interesting.
Oh, what's this?
Ah, okay. Payloader helper. It's a friendly test answer probably required at the card of purchase. Payloader. We change the payloader out to state purchase at the card. Okay. So the guys already make you for you. It's very easy Shopify.
Yeah. Okay. And then
But we need to fire purchase events to understand it is working or not.
okay.
You see, he's just firing purchase events, fake purchase events.
I see. And how do we do that? Is it using that payload tool?
This is the tester tool. So you need to download this tool to your Chrome. I guess is using Chrome.
Yes.
And please download this tool.
So this one? So is this the tool? Oh yeah, I'll let you take over.
Yes.
Oh, so we can put in the test code into here.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah,
And then script, we need to put the checkouts.
interesting.
Event type, event source. Purchase.
Test code event to event we want to test. Test code event. do it if you want. Yeah, maybe, yeah.
I can copy.
Yeah.
I need your pixel ID.
Yep. There you go.
Perfect. I think you are using Mac.
Okay.
There are no errors found. Okay. This is the domain name, right?
Yes. Maybe go to custom made services. Yeah, or you could do this. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, wow, interesting.
Okay, this is issues actually is not issues because it thinks we are running catalog ads, something like that, but we don't have it. That's why
Right.
inside of the one, you know that, right? So
Right.
so I clear. You don't get any sales from this website?
Not much. We haven't really focused on this. It's like a dummy website at the moment.
Okay, so first you need to do domain verification. You don't
Yeah.
have domain verification.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to do domain verification, and then aggregated events. You need
Yeah,
to
the
open.
aggregate event, and then you set the 8 events like page view, web view content, add to cart, and then you set it from low priority, high priority. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly. All of them open. It's no harm if you don't open. If you open, there is no harm.
This is
It is not.
good.
We need their external ID. You can not get date of birth, but first name, last name, town, city, gender. Also, you cannot get. But there is a way to get. But I tried 1 month ago.
Yeah.
Nobody. I said, "What is your gender?" They don't.
Oh wow, okay. Turn everything on, and then it's the Shopify makes it really easy. Do the maximum selection, and then what else? I think do the event aggregated manager and verify domain.
Yes, exactly. First thing is first. You need to do domain verification. Then you need to come here, open advanced matching. Then you need to go to your website. Pixel implemented. I'm not saying you already done it. So after that, you need to connect C API. Open that advanced enhance mode in Shopify.
That's mode, okay. If it was in here, yeah, maximum, yeah.
Yeah, maximum. That's right. And then you just start the fires, just fake orders, some clicks in there. But you need to go to the checkout, like a fake order. If you do that, you can see all the data is coming from there.
Got it. Got it. Do what we just did to just test to make sure it's working.
Yes, exactly. When you start the production mode, it's very important to do everything is working. Like mine is right now 9.0 because every data I get, I'm sending back to the Facebook. So
Wow.
they don't have issues to track. But some users, I'm not really sure. I heard some other people say if customer choose to not track from Facebook, I heard Facebook, if you send any data, they don't accept. But I'm not sure. As far as now, it's working very well. I don't know.
That's really good here. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for sharing. Yeah.